I am Matthew Bernard. I'm the CEO and owner of Darex. Darex is a fourth generation family-owned business here in Ashland, Oregon. We're a manufacturer of a range of sharpening products that cover both the industrial and consumer spaces. We have a 65,000 square foot assembly and warehouse facility. We both design and then assemble and build products right here in our facility in Ashland. Working with TrueSouth, we were able to put in a system that offset over half of our electrical needs and paid back in a really short period of time. For us, there wasn't a lot of other investments we could make that would return an ROI like that.
We'd been looking for years for the right time to try to offset some of our energy costs, and all the pieces came together when TrueSouth Solar approached us that now's the right time for them and it was the right time for our business. TrueSouth Solar was great to work with. They came in, they told us what they were going to do, and then they did it. They communicated throughout the process. We had to be finished in about 3 months because if we didn't get done by the end of the year, the solar credits would expire. And these guys came in, they gave us 2 weeks of cushion. It was a little scary when we started, but they performed at such a high level that it all got done on time. So the whole thing worked out perfectly. I would recommend them, and I do recommend them. I tell other companies, these guys are great to work with, they're nice people, they're neighbors, and they do a good job. Solar's been great for Darex.